Hello, it's me. Morning, Maxwell. Hello. Let's go. What?
And Auntie Jen.
What are we doing again?
We're making your video, your TikTok video of boiled cookies.
Yes, boiled cookies.
No bake cookies.
No,
right?
It's not baked cookies.
Yeah, no bake.
What was your first impression of the boiled cookies when I was over the phone?
I thought we were going to boil water and put cookies in them, and I'm like, I don't think it's going to work, but I will try it.
And I said all the ingredients to you.
But I thought we were going to put them and roll them and put them in boiling water.
No.
So I did not think it was going to work. But now that I saw the TikTok video, I do think it'll work.
Yeah.
Because it's from the Depression, and those people, they knew what they were doing back then.
1950s.
Yeah, that's a depression, right? I don't know, is
The
it?
Depression isn't 1950s. I'm from the 1950s.
Oh, you are?
That's
The antidepressants.
I
Antidepressants.
know. Okay, so you've written down the ingredients.
Yes.
Let's do it.
Okay,
Maxwell.
come on, you guys. Let's do it.
All right, you need a skillet.
Is that a skillet or should we use that?
That's fine. That's
This'll
fine.
work.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh.
All right, so you have a fancy stove, and then I have no idea how to work, even though I cook.
I think it's that one.
So I don't know what to do. So you unlock power.
That's it.
What is this called?
This is an induction stove.
Induction stove.
So it works like by magnets.
Yes, it uses just magnets.
Okay, so 1 stick of butter in the pot.
One
Stick.
One.
Do you know how much a stick of butter is?
No.
Half a cup.
Oh, I didn't know that.
And that's what it calls for.
That's why I have you here. To help me with this stuff.
1 stick of butter.
Remember the first time we did this, you didn't think the...
No, I did not think those cookies were going to work. But they did. These I think are going to work. Now watch, they won't.
Okay.
All right, 1 stick of butter.
Do I have to put all the ingredients in?
A half a cup of moo juice.
Moo.
Milk.
Yes, moon juice. I like moon juice.
No, moo.
Moo, Maxwell, not moon juice.
Moon juice?
Moo.
He says it so quickly, it sounds like moon juice.
Oh.
Milk. There's the cups.
Here we go.
You can do this. Sorry.
No, you can do it, Maxwell.
I'll hold it.
You were worried about the stove, so that's okay.
I don't want to do this.
Just fill this up and I'll dump it. I'll say when. Yeah. Keep going. When. Okay. Close it up. Oops.
Now there's a
3 tablespoons of cocoa powder.
I want to do all the ingredients.
Okay, so TBSP. What does that stand for?
Tablespoon.
Tablespoon.
That smells horrible.
3 tablespoons.
Okay.
You think it smells horrible? Oh, I think it smells so good.
You think that smells horrible? Maxwell, you have to do it. Come on.
Like that. 2 more.
Well, why do I have to do it?
Because it's your thing. Auntie Jen's just helping you.
I'm just
Oh, Mike. Actually,
there you go.
I'm not a good baker.
You're supposed to use a knife, but a finger also works. That's our TikTok tip. Is this on TikTok?
No. This just came out of my mouth.
And just clean this up later.
Yes, we'll clean it up later. And Maxwell, this
vanilla. A bit of vanilla. So
that came after.
Like a
that comes with this. The vanilla comes with that.
All right, fine. Bit of vanilla, stick of butter, cocoa powder. Oh, 2 cups of sugar.
quickly.
Okay. Sugar. Where is sugar?
Where's our cups?
ADHD people. No. Cups. Well, what was I saying?
2 cups. Try to make it level too.
Okay. There's a hole.
Oh, there's a hole in the back.
I see that.
Oh.
We're making a big. We're making a big mess.
Okay, that's fine.
1.
Go ahead, dump that. I think we make that's quilting here.
Yeah.
This is the tiniest little box of sugar I ever saw. Do you know what I've actually
I know.
found that?
We bought this special for this ingredient. For this.
This
is
is
what a mess.
This is a mess.
All right, so
Okay.
now
This is very clean. You just go like this.
Not really clean, but okay.
Well, you just turned it off.
No, you
Oh,
didn't.
she didn't turn it off. Okay.
You just pushed.
Oh, we need a spoon.
Right there.
What's that?
Okay, and then zhuzh like that.
Judge.
This is where Maxwell, you said you were concerned because it comes to a boil.
I don't know.
All right, while you're doing that, I'm going to prepare the peanut butter. 1 cup.
Yeah, because he said, how do you measure out peanut butter?
Very difficultly.
Yes. And are you okay with the peanut butter? I mean,
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So, you're supposed to put it in the cup, but we need a cup for the oats, so I'm going to use the half cup.
Do we have another measuring thing?
There. What do you need? What do you
No,
need?
No, it's okay.
We have a black set.
That's okay.
Let's not make more dishes. Here we go.
Oh, it smells actually. It smells good, actually.
Even though I'm the king of dishes.
Oh, you do all the dishes?
Oh, he
Then let's
he
make
does
more.
the dishes.
He
He does the dishes so good.
Oh, we'll just use tons of dishes then, since you're good at dishes.
Maxwell loves doing
See,
dishes.
when I have to cook and clean up,
I know.
I like to use as few dishes as possible.
Oh, shouldn't you have brought that to the boil?
It's not
You were
didn't-
supposed to put it after this boils.
So now if it doesn't work, it's gonna because I messed up. It'll be alright. We'll do the other half after it boils. Peanut butter's hard to measure. You gotta get it ready.
You didn't follow the recipe. Ratatouille.
Are you gonna fire me?
Ratatouille said that.
Huh?
I don't think Ratatouille said that.
Hey,
Here, you want like the spoon?
The woman
Do you want
cooked.
like the spoon?
No,
you
go
sure?
away.
Is it boiling?
No.
Maybe you can turn it up a bit?
Yeah, you can get it cranking.
But you have to keep stirring it so it doesn't...
I do.
You basically are just melting the sugar, I think. Yeah, see, it's boiling. It's getting there. As soon as that butter melts, you're good for this next peanut butter.
I don't bake. Okay, can you tell?
You're
Alright,
doing
so
good.
boil for 1 minute. Do you want me to count to 60?
Yes.
1,
You do this part. I don't like this part.
4, 5, 6,
Counting with Jen. Mouth.
8.
You have to keep stirring it, Maxwell.
Keep stirring.
Keep stirring because it's going to burn.
Turn it down a little. Okay.
I'm pretty sure we have to take this off now.
No, it's not been a minute.
I don't know.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Counting with Jen.
5, 6. I lost count.
No, you can't lost count. You're up to
That's
like
20.
35,
Okay, 35,
37,
37,
42.
42,
Yeah.
43, 44, 45, 46,
'Cause it's
47,
boiling.
49, 50,
51, 52, 55,
60.
60.
Okay.
Go take it off. Yeah, because
Now add, and you keep stirring.
keep stirring, Maxwell.
You might want to hold the handle because it could go flying. It's up to you. That might be a good video too. That would be like funniest home videos.
Don't worry about that beeping, guys. It's just part of the stove.
Okay.
We just
Blip of this.
What is this?
He said a blip.
A
What's
blip of vanilla.
just
Like
he.
blip.
That's good.
Yeah, he didn't really measure the vanilla. He just went.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because you can't really
3
measure
cups of oats.
3 cups of oats.
Oh, we forgot them. Did we do the milk? Yeah, we did.
You did the milk, yeah.
We did the milk in the beginning.
Jen, you're the baker.
How did you forget
But I
this?
usually bake alone and not talk and count while I'm baking and do all these other random.
Because you couldn't count properly anyway.
I only have a 1-track mind.
Ooh, do you think it's going to turn out?
I say yes.
You do.
Probably. Yes, it's gonna turn out fine.
Oh, you guys. Jen, you're such a mess.
I'm sorry, Jean.
That's, oh my word. Maxwell says, I want Jen here because I'll make a mess.
So you only have peanut butter when out of the house.
Is Emma still allergic to peanut butter?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's a shame.
I think it looks good. Now what?
So what do you do now?
No, wrong drawer.
Do we scoop? I gotta be honest.
Where is the cookie spoon?
Something seems off. No?
No,
I don't know what it's supposed to look like.
that is the texture.
I feel like it should be thicker. No?
No, that is it.
All right. Let's see.
Well,
Let's try it.
okay.
And if not,
That-
we'll drink the
that
cookies.
thing.
This thing.
Oh, that's perfect. Yeah. So now we do this, right?
Bring it over here, Maxwell. Keep stirring it.
What? Do.
Why did we need to talk? What are we doing? YouTube?
We are doing YouTube, but I find most of my stuff on TikTok.
Alright, here you go.
Uh,
Scoop away. Do we have to refrigerate them?
no.
I don't know.
I didn't see them.
Oh, that looks weird.
Yeah, I don't.
Auntie Jen said she thinks it's going to work, but what do you think, Maxwell?
I think they'll work.
Yeah.
Jackson.
Maybe we have to refrigerate them.
Yeah,
I think
They're so loose.
Jackson. What do you think?
well, the guy
Okay.
said these things.
the chance.
They taste good.
Does it taste good, Jen? Yeah. Well, Daddy will eat them. Daddy will eat anything.
I'll eat them.
Oh, Jackson will eat them. Jackson's like his granddad.
You know, if Dad won't eat anything, you run. You do not eat that. That is the devil.
Daddy will eat anything. And if Daddy says something is bad, oh, it's been bad for at least 3 weeks.
That's so funny.
Because he'll eat anything. He's so wonderful. But what did he do the other day? He said, oh, that's bad, darling. I thought, oh my goodness.
Don't
Don't eat it. Oh, wow. You're making tons of them.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to do 2 sheets.
You're gonna...
I'm gonna need.
Jackson, in the oven, there's another cookie sheet, huh?
I need another cookie sheet.
You made a lot.
Yeah.
What if we don't like them?
I think it needed
Give them to Jem. You needed flour.
real chocolate so that the butter and the chocolate, when you put it in the fridge, would firm up. Not cocoa
Thank you.
powder or...
It calls for cocoa powder, though.
I know.
No, Maxwell, here, hold on. Jackson's
I don't
getting...
know how that would, like, I don't know how they're gonna get hard.
Thanks, Jackson. God, you made a ton of them. Keep the knife. Keep scooping, Maxwell.
You can send some home with me.
If they firm up.
Yeah, I think you should put them in the fridge.
Otherwise, you can just put them in a bowl and eat it like oatmeal.
Daddy would eat it.
Yeah.
Oh, there's no eggs.
No, there's no eggs.
There's no eggs.
So it's not raw.
So we don't have to bake it. But why?
Because I said, do we bake it afterwards?
Firm?
Oh, no, they're sort of firming up, like as you're doing it.
Are they?
Do you think they're firming up? Can you feel that,
Maxwell?
Maxwell?
Actual cookies? Do you actually bake them? Or
No,
No.
that's it.
No, that's it.
What?
Yeah.
That
what
is
I'm
it.
saying.
I thought you bake them.
No, that's
No.
it. That's it. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, they're not firming up right now.
We'll put them on the porch because I don't have enough room in the fridge.
Yeah.
Oh,
We should add marshmallows sometime.
Yeah.
But how would the marshmallows? I don't know what I'm talking about.
You could have done marshmallows instead of sugar. You can fit more in there.
why? What do you mean you could have done marshmallows instead
Well,
of
then
sugar?
that definitely would have firmed up, like a Rice Krispie treat.
Ah.
Yeah.
But it might firm up. Look, this one I can lift it.
Oh. Well, there you go.
It's very mushy, but I can lift it.
Maxwell, put the dirty things in the sink, please.
Like the whole stove.
Like, Jen, are you such a messy baker?
I can't talk and bake. It's hard.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, you can talk about quilts and not make a mess.
But I'm not sewing what I'm talking about. I'm just yapping.
Okay. Well, we will see. We will see.
All right. Just do chefs clean up or just chefs clean up?
Maxwell cleans up. So, have they firmed up?
Minimally.
You can pick them up.
I can pick them up, but they're not firm. They feel mushy.
Okay,
Try
Maxwell, do you want to try one?
Which tray did you do first?
Look at
You guys don't
Maxwell.
want food poisoning.
Maxwell's like, Auntie Jen, get
There's
try.
nothing that could poison you in these. Mostly. Unless the peanut butter has salmonella. But
Yeah.
that's like fun comment.
That one's the second batch. This is the first batch.
Okay.
That was the first batch? Okay.
Well, go on. Auntie Jen's brave. Go on, Maxwell.
Ready? Count of three.
Jackson, get in here.
3,
No, it's fine.
No, he's 2,
2,
1.
1.
Oh, it's mushy.
Oh, there are mushy. And we made you cookies.
And I'll eat them.
They're not bad. They're good. But They're not hard.
Do you think it literally, seriously, if you baked them, what would
If
happen?
it had an egg, it would work, but I don't know if you bake them if they would just.
If they would just melt.
Mm-hmm.
They would melt.
Do you like the taste, Maxwell?
I like it.
Taste is good.
Coffee cookie.
Wrong coffee powder.
What did you say?
Powder. Coffee powder.
Cocoa.
Coffee powder.
Cocoa powder. I
Cocoa
meant, but I
powder.
was thinking coffee.
So,
But they're.
How long did we wait? The first batch.
2 minutes.
Yeah, probably.
Well, we didn't wait long enough. We should have waited like
But you should have told us how long to wait. You didn't tell us.
It didn't. They didn't tell us. So I said like
This here one.
15, 20 minutes. We wait, then we try them because.
but
in
we
this
waited.
video-
We waited about
Oh,
5
wait
minutes.
15 minutes.
Wait 15 minutes, and then we'll come
We'll
back.
try again. See
Okay.
if we give it an upgrade
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
score.
Do you like them, Maxwell?
I like them.
You like them?
They're good.
Oh, you like them, Jackson. Ah, well, there you go. And Daddy will like them. Daddy will eat anything.
Cookie, though. I would call them.
Yeah, what would?
When it hardens up,
I would call them a mushy ball.
It has
Mushy balls.
consistency of a cookie when it's hard enough.
Okay.
Okay.
It has a cookie.
Or it might not work because I said it was gonna work, and the last time I said it wasn't gonna work, and it worked. So that would
Exactly like peanut butter.
That would be
so the
Newton's
peanut butter
law.
cookies. It was
Newton made a law.
It was peanut butter, an egg, and sugar.
And Jen said that would not work.
be. I said it wouldn't work, and that worked good.
But these maybe will work. We'll wait a few minutes. Okay. So they look like little hamburger
Like little
patties.
Hey, Patrick.
Or
Look at her flap. Look at her flipping them. Jen, you don't flip them like hamburgers.
So we have your turds, and then you have your.
Oh, stop, Max. Oh. No, they are definitely firming up.
Lovely.
They are lovely.
When they're flat.
Yeah, they look better when they're flat. They look like,
Oh.
well, I don't know.
They kind of look like.
Oh,
those-
no.
those,
They,
like,
No.
oh, no.
chocolate.
No.
Cream pies. Like you know those things.
Anyway, we'll wait.
Yeah. Let's wait.
Let's wait. So, it's been how many minutes? It's been about 20 minutes
3 minutes.
About
Yeah.
now.
Are they hard?
this side is.
They're harder.
They're
Yeah.
harder. Go on, Maxwell. You eat it.
They're harder.
Go on.
All right. Ready? Flat or round? What are we eating?
We can.
Try this.
Go on.
Okay.
That's better.
Much better.
So you had to wait.
You had to wait.
Patience is a virtue.
Yes, it is, Maxwell. So Jen, how many thumbs up for this recipe?
I would give it 2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up, Maxwell? 1 thumb up?
I would give 2, but I'm eating.
You're eating it. So you like
I
them.
think they'll only get better.
They'll only get better. Ah, okay.
I think they're going to continue to get harder even.
They will get harder the longer we leave them.
Mm-hmm.
So
Better they'll get.
there you go.
Another
Another
video
recipe.
of Maxwell's turned out. Awesome job.
Why do I always have to come up with the ideas? You
It's
come up.
your channel.
It's your channel, Maxwell. You have to come up with the idea.
Bacon.
You're like the star. I'm like the guest star,
The guest co-host.
co-host.
Okay.
But sometimes you could have an idea that I don't.
Jen, what would be your idea? Well, Jen would do more traditional.
Yeah.
I would do like I want to see like carve a cake into like a race car or something.
What you did get a race car. Build me a race car before.
I did build you a race car, but I want to see you carve the cake into a race car.
That would be a sloppy mess.
Anyway, thank you, Jen.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Bye bye. I need milk now.
Thanks for having me.
It's very chocolatey.
It is chocolatey, yeah.